What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2013 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Touring. Guys, this bike is absolutely gorgeous. I saw a couple blemishes. I think this can definitely get out buff. It's just like a tiny little smudge. Not a big deal. Guys, this bike's in phenomenal shape. It's got, I think, like 2,000 miles on it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I just put a new windshield on it, like the little flip part there. This thing is just in absolutely phenomenal shape. Oh man. Very good looking bike. I love the blue. I don't get a ton of these in, and when I get them in, they go extremely fast. So right there. Scuff right down the front fender. Scuff right there. Scuff down there, right there. Top of the tank's in phenomenal shape. Let me flip the thing here. 2,614 miles. It's got a radio, guys. It's got a radio. This thing's like a GPS and a radio and stuff. Pretty sure it's a GPS. I know it's a radio and stuff. Yeah, it's a GPS. This is a GPS. Let's fire it up. Bags. This thing's just crazy clean. I mean, the guy didn't ride it. Who puts 2,000 miles on a bike like this? Bike is just insanely clean. What is this thing? That's probably for the GPS unit. Yeah, phone charger in there. Let's fire it up. Runs phenomenally. Like I said, guys, 2013 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Touring, or this is the deluxe. Let me know if it's something interested in, guys. This bike will not last long. Thanks, Tom, for watching.